Welcome to Newport News Library. I'm Miss Jackie, and today we're going to do 2 STEAM activities. First, we're going to make soap using the melt and pour method, and then we'll make the rocket pulley and talk about what a pulley is and exactly what it does. So let's first talk about the soap. The earliest recorded evidence of the production of soap dates back to around 28 BC in ancient Babylon. In general, there are 4 processes to making soap. There's the cold process, the hot process, the melt and pour process, and the rebatch process. We're using the melt and pour process today. With this process, we're melting a pre-made soap base. So this is the pre-made soap base that has already been added to your kit. And a soap mold, which is this. You'll need a microwave in order to melt the soap base. Please use your microwave with adult supervision. Okay, so we're going to remove the cap. In your kit, it will look like this. So please remove your cap. Do not put this in the microwave, and remove the plastic. Okay, and put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds or so. If you need more time, usually 10 seconds is enough, but if you need more, just put additional 5 seconds. Okay, and then pour your soap into your mold. Okay, and if you have bubbles in it, you can just simply tap it on your table, and that'll remove the bubbles. So we're gonna let it sit and harden. It will harden as it cools. And while that's cooling, we're gonna go ahead and talk about the rocket pulley. So also in your kit, you should have the rocket pulley. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. And okay, so let's separate all our pieces, and let's lay them out on the table so we can see what we have. That to the side. Okay. So also in your kit, you'll have 2 crayons. So please feel free to color your kit any way that you like. I have already colored this one. So as you can see, it's one color on this side, and it's a different color on this side. So please color yours however you like. So in your kit, you will have a string, and you'll have 2 pieces of the rocket. You'll have 2 sticker sheets. There's two here, and there's 2 foam pieces, and then there's 2 straws and 2 beads. Okay, so the first step, take one side of the rocket, and on the rocket we're going to place the straw, and then use our sticker sheet to stick it in place. So if you can't get the sticker paper off, then please feel free to use some tape. All right, okay, so just tape your straw in place. There, then take your string and thread it through the straw. Take a few seconds. There we go. Okay, so once you finish threading the string, this is how it looks. So you should have a loop here at the top. Okay, and on the other end of the string, we're going to tie our beads to the string. Okay, so just tie a knot. Maybe tie 2 just to secure it, make sure it doesn't come apart. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other bead. And then after we tie your bead to the string, you're gonna secure the top part of the rocket to the other part using your sticky foam pieces. So peel the the paper off the back and place it on the edge. Oh, there's tape on both sides, so make sure you peel off both sides. Okay, and place it on the edge. And then take your other piece of your rocket and just place it on top. To secure it in place. And there is your rocket. And in the middle, you have your string. Okay? And so there is your rocket pulley. So for the next step, we're going to put this around the doorknob so we can actually talk about how a pulley works. A pulley is known as a simple machine. Simple machines make work easier and have only a few moving parts, sometimes only one. A basic pulley consists of just a wheel and a rope. A pulley makes the work of lifting heavy objects easier by redirecting the force or the energy that is required to lift it. Without a pulley, it would be extremely difficult or even impossible to lift or move heavy objects. To see an example of how a pulley works, we're going to hang our rocket around the doorknob. Okay, and by pulling down on the beads or redirecting the force, the object is lifted. And even though the rocket is not really a heavy object, this is an example of how redirecting the force or the energy that is used to lift an object is redirected by using a pulley. So that's the main objective of a pulley, is to redirect the force in lifting an object. I'm sorry, yes. This jump is over. So some common examples of pulleys that we use every day are cranes in construction, elevators, blinds, bicycle chains, clotheslines, zip lines, and fishing rods. That's quite a few. Can you think of anything else? Well, this brings us to the end of today's activities. If you'd like to know more about soap making or pulleys, visit your local Newport News library.